fall.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching, guys. It has been so long since I've gotten up here and been talking to you guys. I have not forgotten about you guys, but I've been working on another project. Oh my gosh, another channel called Crowned Glorious, y'all. Like Crowned Glorious. Crowned Glorious for the third time is a faith-based channel. It's a Christ-based channel, Christian-based channel. God has put it on my heart to make that new platform, which is why I did. So if you guys aren't excited, y'all better get excited, and I will put the subscription link for that channel down below so you guys can watch the videos, subscribe, be expectant for the amazing other videos that are to come, and be blessed. So without further ado, I will hop right into this video. This is going to be a tutorial X review, so get ready and let's hop right into it. So guys, as I said, I will be reviewing these gorgeous lashes from Reveuse Lashes, honey. I'm about to give you guys all the details on these lashes. So they came in this cute little pouch that says hello, reminds me of spring, and also this iridescent type packaging. I love it. I am a sucker for cute packaging, iridescent, holographic. Just give it to me. I'm here for it. And I love how it has the specific name of the lash right at the top. And on the back, it has another amazing graphic, and it says that they are 3D mink lashes, y'all. 100% Siberian fur mink lashes. This is my first time actually wearing mink lashes, and y'all, I am just so surprised. Like, look at the side profile. Do you see that flutter? Do you see that 3D effect? Another thing I noticed was that the band was thick, and when they told me that I could wear these about 25 times, I was like, what? But now I'm seeing the band and I'm like, yes, I can. I wore them once. I'm like, you know, yes, I can. I believe y'all. So these are the lashes that I took off. I didn't clean them quite well, but I wanted to show you guys what they looked like. So now for the quick tutorial part of this. If you have curly lashes, listen up. Mascara. This one is Makeup Forever's Excessive Lash Mascara. Mascara is your friend if you have curly lashes and you're trying to put on false lashes. So what I'm doing here, I'm coating the heck out of my lashes, and this mascara alone is amazing, but if I want them lashes on, I need to make sure I have a thick coat of mascara on this. And the key here is to also brush downward. When you brush downward, the weight of the mascara will force your curly lashes to settle down, so the band of the lash can actually sit on your lash line. This is the before, y'all. Is you ready for the after? It's coming. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Hey. Oh my gosh, I am in love with these, honey, as you can tell. Cruelty-free, lightweight, amazing. Oh my gosh, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you guys.